Hi, welcome to video number 2 of RapidContent. In the previous video, I introduced you to what RapidContent is and shown you how it could be a help to you by having content available to every page of your RapidWeaver project. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of RapidContent. How do you set it up? Well, this theme, first off, your theme, the theme that you're using, has to have RapidContent built into the theme. Very similar to when extra content first came out for RapidWeaver. It took a while for themes to start to implement it into their themes, or for developers to implement it into their themes. And so currently, as far as I know, this is the only theme that has RapidContent built into it, although I have heard that there are at least a couple of other developers that are considering adding it to their future designs. So you have to have a theme that's RapidContent enabled, and this theme is the Flatter theme from Kuler Solutions. The next thing that you would want to do is you need to create a structure for your RapidContent. You can see here that I've added a page, an HTML page, and that's exactly what you would need to do, is simply add an HTML page to your website. All right, so once you've added that to your website, like I've done here, you can then create some sub-pages that will contain all of your RapidContent. You can see here that this theme has 5 RapidContent areas, and so I've added 5 HTML pages, and I've placed them all inside this RapidContent sort of master page. Now, something else that I've done is on each of my HTML pages that I add, that I'm going to use for RapidContent, I have done basically 2 things to all of them. The first thing I've done is I make sure that the page is enabled, and then I want to make sure that I click here or deselect Show in Menu, because I don't want this page to show in my site menu. I just want to make sure it's available for me to use. I don't want it in my site menu, okay? So I want to make sure I deselect that. The next thing I want to do is I want to go over here to Page on any HTML page that I create for RapidContent. I want to go to Page, and I want to make sure that I deselect Apply Theme. Basically, all I want from this page is the HTML. I don't want any of the styling. I don't want any of the other attributes of the theme. All I want is the little HTML snippet. So when I deselect Apply Theme, that's what's available to me, only the HTML. All right. The next thing I want to do is on my parent page, RapidContent, I want to make sure that I put it in a folder called RC. Okay, so just RC. That's my parent page or for RapidContent. This file name here doesn't really matter. You can leave it as index.html, and that will be just fine. The next thing I want to do is on each of my RapidContent pages, you see I've created 5 RapidContent pages right here. I want to make sure that my folder says /RC and that my file name says RC, in this case 1.html, RC1.html. If I were on the RapidContent number 2 page, I would put RC2.html, and so on and so forth for all of my RapidContent areas. All right? So basically, that's how I set up my RapidContent pages. Do it just like that. Now, once I've set them up, I can go here to the Edit, and I can just add a little snippet of code or a little snippet of text here, whatever I want to add, and that's all I've got to do. So I'm going to change, I'm going to go here to RapidContent Area 1, and I'm just going to change this content here in this paragraph tag, and I'm going to put this is my changed text for RapidContent Area 1,
And then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to add some bold to the word changed. And then I'm going to quickly publish. Now I'm going to go and just view, and you can see here, this is my changed text for Rapid Content Area 1. Now if you want to take a peek here to another page, you can see here, it's changed there too. Any page that has Rapid Content enabled for it, it automatically gets changed there. So I can go to any page in my website, and if I'm using the Rapid Content area for that page, you can see there it is. And so you see how powerful and how easy this feature can be. It can really save you a lot of time, and it's not that difficult to set up.